Do you or a loved one suffer from a mobility impairment such as a bad knee or a bad back? Are you tired of missing out on family vacations and gatherings? Do you hate waking up with sore feet or sore legs after a long day of walking like I do? I'm Sergio, and if you answered yes to any of these questions, I want to tell you about a lightweight mobility scooter called the eFOLDi Lite. This scooter is perfect for family trips, and in this video, you're going to see firsthand what it's like to take the eFOLDi scooter on a family trip to Universal Studios and Islands of Adventure in Florida. This scooter is great for the whole family. Even the little ones love it. I've had 3 knee surgeries, and I wouldn't go anywhere that requires being on my feet for long periods of time without my eFOLDi Lite. Now, before I get too far into this video, I want to tell you about our free product catalog. If you want a copy, just go to our website, mobilitydirect.com. Click on the green button at the top of every page that says free catalog, fill out the simple short form, and you'll get one in the mail within 1 to 2 weeks. It has discount codes, our latest products, and tons of information about our company. Now let's talk about this awesome scooter known as the eFOLDi Lite. The most impressive thing about it is the portability factor. It's really easy to fold and stow in almost any type of vehicle. It can support up to 265 pounds while only weighing 33 pounds. It can travel up to 10 miles on a full charge. Even after an entire day at the theme park with the family, the battery meter was still showing a full charge, which is super impressive. This scooter isn't just for senior citizens. It's great for anyone that doesn't want to be on their feet for hours on end. Trust me, the last thing you want to do is wake up with sore feet after walking around a theme park all day long. It's super easy to use, it has automatic brakes, suspension, and you can even opt in to get an upgraded seat cushion for extra comfort. This is one of the few scooters that comes with a 1-year in-home repair contract and an industry-leading parts warranty. If you want to learn more, visit one of our local stores or call the number below. You could also send us a message anytime. Our non-commissioned sales experts would be happy to answer any questions that you may have. We want to earn your business. We're family-owned, we have a 5-star rating online, and we offer lifetime customer support. So what are you waiting for? Give us a call today.
Oh yeah, whoa! It's so much better in the daytime! Yeah! What? Oh, I can't wait for the part over the water.